Welcome back to the channel. Today we are learning how to use Allison DOC, the official diagnostic software for Allison automatic transmissions. This is the tool for trucks, buses, and vocational vehicles everywhere. Connection is simple. Plug a standard adapter into the diagnostic port, open DOC, and select the transmission family. The software links to the TCM and pulls the transmission identity automatically. The trouble code screen shows active and historic faults with clear descriptions. Each code includes freeze frame data, so you see the conditions when the fault happened. That context solves intermittent problems. In data monitoring, watch the transmission live. Fluid temperature, clutch pressures, and shaft speeds update in real time. Comparing input and output speeds quickly reveals slipping clutches. The test section is where DOC shines. Command individual clutches and solenoids straight from the laptop, and watch how the transmission responds. This confirms a repair before the vehicle ever leaves the bay. Allison transmissions learn and adapt their shifts over time. After an overhaul or clutch replacement, reset the adaptive learning so the TCM relearns from a clean slate. Shift quality returns to like new. DOC also reads the prognostics, including oil life and filter life percentages. Use these numbers to plan maintenance before problems start, instead of reacting to failures on the road. Field tips for Allison work. Always confirm fluid level and condition before diagnostics. Warm the transmission to operating temperature for accurate tests. And record code data before clearing anything. And that is how to use Allison DOC from connection to prognostics. We provide the full version with remote installation and activation support at diagramtechpro.com. Subscribe for more guides, and see you in the next video.